Keith was on our show October 28th of last year. Northwest Healthcare Properties, NWH.UN, was his first idea. This one down.
Yeah, we're getting our heads handed to us on this. Well, truthfully, you know, when I put an idea on the show, it's often not, you can't be exact where, you know, I bought it, but we still actually hold it. We bought a 2% position originally. We added another 1%. So we have about 3% in the portfolio of it. I mean, what we're looking at is this, that it does have a range. We were trying to buy it a little closer to the bottom, which we did. But it's not gone up that we hoped. We figured that if it could get back into the $6 range, it would be a trade. So we look for these kind of things. So far, it went down. We bought it, and it went down a little bit more. We'll give it the benefit of the doubt because so long as it holds support, which is still a little bit below where it is right now, we will hold the position. If it cracks support, we will get out. Meantime, though, we do earn a pretty hefty dividend on it. I think it's around. Sorry, I pay little attention to dividends sometimes.
Sure, no, but let me have a look.
It's around 7% or something like that.
Okay, so you're not completely turned off on it then, or?
Well, not until if it breaks support, then we will sell it.
Okay.
But I mean, we figure that it can trade in that range and be sideways, and we earn the dividend, and then
it's about 8%
yeah,
right now.
Yeah. I think we bought it when it was 7, so we're now getting 8.
PayPal Holdings was your next idea. Let's see how this one did. Flat.
Yeah, actually, funny enough, though, again, this was definitely one that we're well ahead of in the portfolio. It's just when I put it on the show, because we don't always, get it on I don't get it on my top picks the day I buy it, but we love the chart. We like this company a lot. Craig likes it fundamentally. Actually, if we got a bigger view, maybe a 5-year view, I can show you. But even on this chart, you can kind of see, base and breakout. I honestly think it's one of the best charts of the technology sector because it's not overdone. Long base, it is breaking out from this area right here. I mean, there's so many points that it could reach on its way up that we're pretty excited. We also, Craig feels that the company's making real strides in getting its business out there in different venues. So yeah, we're bullish. The chart tells us that things are moving the right way for us. So.
And then finally, ARC Resources, very big in gas and liquids, 16% return.
Yeah. So ARC, I mentioned that my favorite areas right now are the metals and oil and gas. All right. And that included the pipelines, like we mentioned Enbridge earlier. I mean, we like that whole area, the resource area. And ARC Resources is a little bit heavier in nat gas, so that's helped it because nat gas seems to be catching a bid lately, as we probably all know. It's kind of cold outside. So, a little bit of a breakout there. You may see, often what will happen is a stock will move strong, like it has, will do a pullback, and it should find support at the old breakout point. So I would say that it's doing great. If it pulls back to that support level, I would be adding to the positions, and that would be a point for new investors to look at it.
Okay. We're going to take a break. Keith Richards is our guest. He's taking your questions on technical analysis. Still time to get your call in, 1-855-326-6266.